Hello everyone, in this video, how to outline text in Google Sheets. Google Sheets does not have a direct text outline stroke option. There is no stroke or outline feature like Photoshop or Illustrator, but you can create a 90% similar outline effect by using cell borders around the text. Let's begin. Step 1, select column A1 A2, 3, 4, sorry, A2, A4, then click border, see this outline border color, black example and increase thickness, that's it. Apply the same process. Thanks for watching video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.